This is the first edition. Although this concept is quite prevalent in the Western market and Western societies, the idea behind this market is that the local producers, farmers, local artisans, musicians, homepreneurs, craftsmen all come together to sell their products directly to the customers without having any middlemen. This gives benefit to the local community to grow along with their suppliers. And also, having said that, as we all know, that food travels at an average in India for 300 kilometers before it reaches to the kitchen. And by doing so, local community markets like this, we are able to reduce the fossil fuel. We are able to make the produce reach to the customer very fresh, and the nutrition value of those foods are quite appreciable. The market is the first edition here, and we wish to continue this every alternate weekend, with the second and the fourth weekend of every month throughout the year. And we invite all the Hyderabadis to come and celebrate this weekend market. We expect everybody to come and support the local communities.
I'm Divya from the Green Courtyard. We promote the toys, especially made from Kondapalli, Etikopaka and Chennai. We also have some Tanjavur paper mache toys. The toy I'm holding here is the Kondapalli toy. It's basically illustrating the traditional way we have in the marriage procession. So this is called Pelli Pallaki. You can see there is the band set and the bride and bridegroom inside, and people are holding it. So it's basically a palanquin, which we traditionally call as Pallaki.
So myself, Dr. Shravani. By profession I'm a dentist, and he's my husband, Dr. Jonathan. He is also a doctor. He's a pediatrician. I stayed in Jaipur for almost for 11 years, which has introduced me to the Rajasthani handicrafts. So I was very passionate and I wanted to introduce Rajasthani handicrafts to South India. So we have started this Rajasthani artistry, one small shop in the Sarat City Mall in the Indian Bazaar section. So these are the products which we have. Everything is handmade, and from the 33 districts of Rajasthan, every district has a unique handicraft products, and we have introduced some of them. One of them is the handmade sunglasses pouch, which you can and these are the diyas. This is one more diya. These are the potlis, which are purely handmade. Potli.
Basically, I am a child therapist only. The hindering process of the growth of the children has really moved me. So ఆ సర్చ్లోనే నేను ఏంటి ఎందుకు ఈ పిల్లలకి ఇలాంటి ఇష్యూస్ అది అని అలా ఆలోచిస్తుంటే ఫైనలీ ఐ హ్యావ్ completely changed my lifestyle since 9 years, and I started using these products from 7 years. You cannot expect these products with plastic, but these are like 100 years. You can give these products to your next generation also. I can assure this. My store name is Kala Naipunyam. The tagline is Be Desi. This is completely Indian product. So మోదీ గారు చెప్పినట్టు మన ఇండియన్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ మనం కొనుక్కుందాము, మన ఎకానమీని మనం పెంచుకుందాము.
So during the lockdown, I have many brothers and sisters, and they were all at home, and they were all asking for me to get them outside food. So as you know, we can't do that. I wanted to experiment myself and see if I can make amazing delicious food at home, or rather amazing delicious chocolates at home, and I was successful in it. And when I was successful in it, I thought to broaden my prospects and create this enterprise, now known as Homemade Delight.
Hi, I'm Santosh here. I'm from Sterlite, basically from Hyderabad. This is basically the COVID metal key, which can be used for your touch points, to avoid the touch points basically. So with this, you can operate your lift and open the door, as well as operate the ATMs as well with this. We have is refillable hand sanitizer for kids basically, so which can be refillable and can be used it. So which can be put across for any sort of a zip or a wallet purse basically. Yeah. So any pocket or a handbag, purse or school bags can be used, or tiffin boxes.